welcome back to our channel PiNiWorld. Friends, we celebrate World Water Day on 22nd March. So today I am going to act as a water dog. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. Do you know who am I? Just think. You use me every day. Think. Oh yes, I am a water drop. Oh my God, I am falling down. Please save me. Water is life. I am very precious gift of God. Can you imagine life without me? Just impossible. So please, it is my humble request. Don't waste water. पानी है जीवन का आस. पानी को बचाने का करो प्रयास. Every drop count. If drops make ocean, then it can finish too. Your grandfather saw it in ocean. Your father saw it in well. You saw it in tape. Your children, we saw it in bottle. Just think, where will